So that like they would get a married, he would get a married person's pension.
Yeah, they don't get the.
But now they get the same as I get, even though they only paid less in. They actually get the same pension now. I think, well, bloody hell.
Only if they've got the number of contributions.
Yeah, but they didn't pay as much as me because it was a lot less to pay as a married woman. The idea was that he would get a 1.5 pensions.
Yeah, that's okay.
Because he would have got a married, whereas Simon only gets it as a single.
Yeah.
Like, because
They stopped those. They stopped those married ones a long time ago.
Well, that's
but I don't know.
Yeah, but all those that only paid in the bit still get the same as me now, even though they paid less at the time for however many years. Probably a good 20 years or more.
Yeah, but you could look, because like Sandy has how much she got to make it up, and she only had to make up a couple of years. And it was really cheap. It was 60 for 1 year and 80. It wasn't just 200.
Well, I did a couple of times when I had the kids and hadn't worked. They sent me a thing to say that I could fill the year up.
Yeah.
Well, if it was, I only had to pay like say 3 months. I paid it, but one of them it was about 9. I thought, well, I'll lose that year. I'm not paying the whole year.
Yeah.
But it still didn't mean because I still would have had enough years.
Yeah, so you just buy back the cheap years. That's what I did with Sandy. So we've got those years, and so she's got enough years in now.
Yeah.
But you just buy the cheap ones back. I don't want to buy the expensive ones because then you got enough years.
Yeah. And luckily enough, because when I had one of them I had, and I didn't go back to work, but I could sign on. I didn't get any money, but they stamped my card every week because I went and started on, and I said, well, at least it's keeping the cards going, you know, and thing going. So. Wages went up in December, he always got his wage rise in January, and so I applied for the Viz in November, which I got for the whole year, because they sent you a book then, like, you know, family allowance book, it was a Viz book, but they sent it for the whole year, even though his money went up in January. But we got 2 pints of milk free each day because we had the kids.
Yeah, if you had to have a shop that took
well, the milkman took
right.
Well, I had the milkman came in them days. I was going back bloody years ago. We got a percentage off our rates, which you only paid half yearly in them days. We got something off the rates and something else. I only got about £1.50 on the Viz, but all the rest added up as well.
Yeah.
But it made me laugh because we were like £5 under what they said, which is why we got it. But they didn't give you £5. But I suppose by the time we had 2 pints of milk and something off the rates, and you know.
Normally, if it's you're just under, so you qualify, you actually get this more in the benefits.
Yeah, no, it didn't work like that. But I suppose the other bits added up, you know. Because Martin was our milkman. Yeah, then.
Oh, did you come around Bembridge?
No, because we were in Marble Road.
Oh, of course you were. I was going to say, I thought you only
yeah,
of course, you were.
But I think he went to see you as well. I don't know, he had quite a biggish round, I think. Because I know we do shopping for some of the old ladies and see we were taking him when he took their milk in.
Yeah, if you want, you walk all the way to Vauxhall.
Yeah.
The donkeys don't feel sweet sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's cold like this, but come summer.
Yeah.
Monday to Friday. Like probably tonight, I'm not going to do it. I'll go down for some chips.
Oh yeah. Well, funny enough, I've got they sent vouchers.
40% off. That's the main meals. You can have that any time. But if you look, it's also got £5 and meals are £5. Pretty good. So you can
between 12
o'clock and 6 o'clock at night. So as long as you get there, you know, quarter to 6.
Well,
booking for quarter to 6.
I could say to Simon, will you get off the bus in Sandham, which he does. Well, he could get in, you know, say here up this.
We go down there.
Up 2, 3 o'clock.
Oh, if you're doing it in the afternoon, no problem. Yeah, sometimes I can't. I'll just stroll down there.
Yeah.
And on a Friday, it's all right. It's fish and chips for £10 each.
Yeah.
Five each. Make it £10.
Yeah. Is it only cod?
You can upgrade to haddock. I think it's an extra £1 or 50p or something. If you want to upgrade to the large haddock.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's not.
Yeah.
Like have dessert for £2.
Well, yeah, but no, that's fine because we
often share the dessert. We'll get a brownie and split a brownie.
I don't know about puddings these days so much.
Share one.
Well, yeah, I know. But
They do quite a nice Knickerbocker glory.
Oh,
£2
yeah.
as well.
God, I know that.
Yeah, I know. They do the proper one, but for the £5 bit, they'll do the mini.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
£2. It's £1.99 or something.
Yeah.
Obviously, you want to try and get you to buy drinks and stuff. But you don't have to.
No.
All the other people don't skip down there.
Yeah. Well, you could always have a pint, have a shandy, and that'd be it. Not anymore anyway. I think Sean's booked us all in for breakfast on the Mothering Sunday.
Where's that?
Down that place.
Oh, Premier.
Because the kids eat free, don't they?
Yeah,
you know?
that's it, yeah.
So I think she's staying for about 16. Because I think she's asked like Paul's mum and dad and that. So like one half's them and one half's us, if that makes sense.
Pick out as much as you like.
Well, that's it, yeah. But in all fairness, it's always been quite nice, you know.
Well, they got the sausages back. For a few weeks, they couldn't get hold of the sausages.
Oh, right.
And they got the proper orange juice back. Because and I said, well, and they just made like a mixture, like tropical fruit. And
yeah.
That's not the place.
No.
But they got the proper orange juice back. And they don't do the grapefruit anymore. But I said, oh, it's fine. As long as you've got proper orange,
Yeah.
I don't be sealed. I'll fill up with marmites as well. So I got marmites for the rest of the week.
I used to, but Simon made me buy a jar the other day when we were home.
Marmite.
Oh, no.
Well, bloody years because we go like once every 5-6 weeks or whenever we go there, and I just get enough and it just keeps me going. It's just right. And they're.
But I always make sure we take a lot of jams and marmalades and things. Just put them in your pocket when we finished.
And a banana to go home with. That's what we put on the beach. Banana.
Next stop, Clarendon Road.
Have you got A tasty cup.
Yes, yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
as I say,
that's there, yeah.
Yeah, because if you got that, because then you get your 2 free meals.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Oh, you know,
Yeah.
every 4th time we've been for
It's
breakfast,
supposed to be
we
something,
we
yeah.
get 2 free meals from the evening, and then you don't have to worry about, it's got the £5 ones at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, you can go any
You
time.
can go any time and have a proper meal.
I think this is where I want to get out.
No, it goes round. No, it goes round.
Yeah, that's what I mean, but I think that's the road that what he's just said is. Yeah, because it saves me going right down to the bus stop. It comes up near the crossroads.
Yeah, you're going to go down here and then up Clarendon.
Yeah, and that's where I want. Oh, and somebody's pressed the button, so I don't need to. Yeah, because it stops on the corner, so I'm a bit nearer.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Only a few steps.
It can't be anything, can it?
Well, a little bit. Because I'd have to walk up from the shoulders to go up to get there.
Yeah, they're shutting the bloody church behind you.
Are they?
That Methodist one again, yeah, they're closing that down.
Oh, weird.
So I don't know if they're actually going to develop it or something. They said they can't make it. It's not
They're
financial.
not getting enough people. I think a lot of churches are like that these days. Right, I'll catch up with you later.
Alright, catch up. I'll send you a picture of that thing, but I can't get the other one we got. I'll drop that round and then you can try that first.
Yeah, at least. Oh,
can't wait till it stops.
oh no. I want to make sure I get off before he goes.
Alright, I'll see you later.
I will catch you later. I'll see you later.